Here's a short video on how to set up a campaign. In order to set up a campaign, you will need to have your lists and your templates ready, so make sure you check out our resources on how you can create lists and templates. First, locate campaigns in the left navigation pane. You will find it under Marketing. Once you click on Campaigns, you will be redirected to the Campaigns page where you can view existing campaigns. Click on Create Campaign in the top right corner to start a new campaign. You will be prompted to enter the campaign name and select the list you are looking to send out the campaign to. It is optional to add a segment. You will then have to enter your name and select the email you want to send out the campaign from. Next, you will have to enter in a subject as well as the preview text. Now, choose the template you have prepared for the campaign. Lastly, you will have to select the date and the time you want the campaign to be sent out. Once you have entered all these details, scroll up and select Save Changes in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear which confirms the timing of the campaign, and to proceed you can click on Create Campaign. You have now created a campaign. You can also view the results of your campaign by clicking on the View Results button next to the campaign once it has been sent out.